Hey kids, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is another Beyonce's Recreate. As you can see by the title of the video, Beyonce's Instagram photo recreate, or whatever by the title. I know it's gonna be recreate something. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and also hit that little bell to be notified I post a video. And let's get into this video. Oh, and also follow my social media pages, and they're all linked down in the description box below. And don't forget to go hit that little bell to know if I post a video. Now let's get into this video. Okay, first up we're gonna need to get our items, which I'm gonna, as you guys see in my little short story video, kind of like a little story, kind of like a little film, kind of like a little cute setup. You're gonna definitely need you some fur. You're gonna need a sewing machine, obviously. Or if you don't want to use a sewing machine, you can hand stitch it. It's up to you. I just prefer sewing on the sewing machine. You're gonna need Velcro. What else you gonna need? Oh, you're gonna definitely need pearls. You're gonna need your pearls, and you're gonna need some fishing wire and like the little hooks that put on your ears. I keep forgetting, like earring hooks, whatever the name is. Probably link it down in the description box. And let's get into making this video. I'm so excited. Sorry guys, I'm putting together something about this. I'm so excited about this. Like, I made this before. I made the cuffs, cause that's what I'm making. I'm making my furry cuffs I made for before on my birthday, or not birthday, Halloween costume. When I was a unicorn before, it was beautiful. Like, I have my cuffs, I have my boots, my shoes had cuffs, my arms had cuffs. I'm gonna be like, I was actually like a unicorn. I even have the tail and everything. Got the head, tail, the cuffs, the whole fit. So we're gonna be making those exact cups. So, but you guys never seen. I'll probably link the image if I can find one. If I can find one, I'll probably put it up somewhere on the screen. If not, oh well. But let's get into making this video. Okay, kids.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, pushing
Velcro, measure it as to how long as it is or how short it is, and then you're going to cut that out. And once you cut that out, you're going to end up sewing those. You're going to pin them actually. Then you're going to sew them. So once you do that, then you're finished with your cuffs. And then now it's on to the earrings. Yay! Now here's the items you're going to need for your earrings. You're going to need a lyre. You're going to need fishing wire. Obviously, you're going to need like a long piece of fishing wire. Then you're going to need the things to connect your earrings, like the ones that like hang on or hook, whatever you choose. I think they're earring hooks. I'm using the silver ones because I want mine to be at least identical to hers. So yeah. I'm gonna take those. As you can see, I'm using the two ones, the silver ones, and then you're going to take some pearls, not the flat ones. You're gonna need the beaded ones, or if you guys are not using the beaded pearls, you're gonna use the beaded rhinestones or Swarovski crystals, whichever you choose. For me, I'm gonna go with pearls. So you're gonna first step, you're gonna take your fishing wire, you're gonna like tie a knot onto the earring, so when you guys start like putting the beads on, so it doesn't fall off. So you're gonna do like that. Now, as you can see, I'm going to grab a lighter. I'm going to burn the tips off to make sure it stays stuck, but it actually broke on me, so I have to redo it again. But make sure you guys have adult supervision when working on sharp and hot objects. But since I
me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep.
Have your earrings, have your cups, and now it's time for the grand finale. I hope you guys enjoyed this recreate as much as I did. I want you guys to go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I do more recreates. I do try-ons, I do fashion, I do writer's prompts. And don't forget to go follow my social media pages, link down in the description box below. And don't forget to go and check out my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter where I'm fun and lit over there. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Before I forget, comment down below more recreates if you guys would love this recreate, or you want me to do more recreates of Beyonce's. I would love to do more of hers. And yeah, that's it for this video, kids. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure alright, so that. Well, that's the video, kids, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, kids.